Hello students, good time to all. I am Chandan Kumar Pradhan. Welcome to your channel Chandan Physics. In this video, we are going to discuss expansion of function in a series of legendary polynomials. Let's begin. How we expand a function in terms of legendary polynomials. Let us assume a function be f of x, assuming that the expansion of f of x, that is the function in a series of legendary polynomials. What we have, that is f of x is written as the summation over, let r from 0 to infinity, CR PRX. PRX is the legendary polynomials, that is equation number 1. Also, following equation 1 also can be written as, also following equation 1 we get, from that of equation 1 what we achieve, that is f of x, we can write it in a different way, like that of summation over s from 0 to infinity, C of s Ps of x, that equation number 2. Multiplying both sides of equation 2 by PR of x and then integrating it with respect to x from the limits, what we achieve. Now multiplying that equation 2, multiplying equation 2 both sides by PR of x and integrating it with respect to x from -1 to +1, we get that is integration from -1 to +1 f of x PR of x dx, that is summation over s from 0 to infinity Cs integration from -1 to +1 PR of x Ps of x dx. Equation number 3. But according to the orthonormal condition, but integration from -1 to +1 PR of x into Ps of x dx is equal to 0 when r is not equal to s, and that value will be equal to 2 divided by 2r plus 1 if r is equal to s. That is the orthonormal condition of legendary polynomials. Hence that equation 3 will be, therefore equation 3 becomes, that is integration from -1 to +1 f of x PR of x dx is equal to CR into 2 divided by 2r plus 1, which implies CR is equal to 2r plus 1 divided by 2 whole into integration from -1 to +1 f of x PR of x dx, which implies CR is equal to, that is r plus half integration from -1 to +1 f of x PR of x dx. So in this way we can expand any function of x in a series of legendary polynomials. This is the method. Now take an example how we can easily expand a function which is a function of x in terms of legendary polynomials. Let's take an example. Let f of x is equal to x square, that is a function of x, that means the function of x we can express in terms of legendary polynomials. That is x square is a polynomial of degree 2. So that function f of x, that function f of x can be written as summation from n from 0 to 2 CR PR of x. We expand it as a naught p naught of x plus a1, sorry, that is c naught c1 p1 of x plus c2 p2 of x, where CR value we have that of CR value will be this much, r plus half integration over this, where C of r is equal to 2r plus 1, that is r plus half whole into integration from -1 to +1 f of x PRx dx. Now we put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, therefore putting n is equal to 0, 1, 2 successively we have, that is c naught is equal to half integration from -1 to +1 x square p naught x dx is equal to half integration from -1 to +1 x square p naught x is equal to 1 dx, that is half x cube by 3 from -1 to +1 will be 1 by 3, it is c naught. Then c1, that is 3 by 2, that is r plus 1 by 2, that is the value of r is 1, 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2, -1 to +1 x square p1 of x dx is equal to 3 by 2 integration from -1 to +1 x square into p naught x, that is x dx is equal to 3 by 2 x fourth by 4th from the limit -1 to +1, the value will be 0. Then c2 that is 5 by 2 integration from -1 to +1 x square p2x dx, that is 5 by 2 integration from -1 to +1 x square p2x, the value of p2x is equal to half 3x square minus 1 dx, that will be 5 by 4 integration from -1 to +1 3x fourth minus x square dx is equal to 5 by 4 3 x to the power 5th 5 minus x cube by 3 from the limit -1 to +1, that will be 5 by 4 6 by 5 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. These are the coefficient like c0, c1, c2. Therefore here x square will be how much, that is 1 by 3 p naught x plus 2 by 3 p2x. So this is the expansion of that of function in legendary polynomials. So with the help of this video lecture, we understand how to expand a function in terms of legendary polynomials. We use this technique and an example to expand that function in terms of legendary polynomials. We proceed like this and finally get the result. So with this useful and informative notes, let me wind up this session. Thank you.